In this video, we're going to show you how you can speed up or slow down a TikTok video. If you find this video helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing for more content. You can do this with the video that you're recording right now, or even a video that you've saved in your gallery. Simply go ahead and open up TikTok and tap on the plus icon in the bottom of the TikTok homepage, and then choose the post options from the options down below. From here, you can either go ahead and start recording, or tap the gallery icon in the bottom right to select an existing video. This is a video that I recorded last year that I'm going to use for the sake of this video, but once you've chosen your video, simply go ahead and hit next. On the right hand side, you're going to see a bunch of editing tools. Simply click on the editing icon, which is all the way up at the top. Once you open up this page, you're going to want to change the speed of the entire clip. To do this, you can just tap the entire clip just like so, and then hit speed. And then you can adjust it from here, either making it quicker or making it slower. But if you want to do just a specific portion of the clip, you can split it just like so, and only select that portion and then hit speed and adjust it accordingly. But yeah, now you can speed up or slow down as you'd like. But that's it. If you have any questions, let us know down in the comments below, and remember to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.